This has just arrived. It says, I don't know if you can see, it says office supplies here. If you can get this. Oh, this is a unboxing, unpacking. Oh, it's my glue sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So they sent those 2 separate and these 4 in a pack. This is what I use to put on my print bed. Borosilicate glass. Works very well. Goes on purple, and as it says, disappearing purple. The purple colour disappears after a while. It helps, really helps adhere parts to my build plate. Just let you have a read of that. Hopefully that's in focus. Made in China. Surprising that. So he's one of the ones that's already open, so to speak, well, out, not in a packet. As I say, it goes on this colour, like purple. After about 20 minutes or so, that colour disappears, and I suppose you can call it transparent, or can't see it. Seven grams. Choke and hazard, so notice the warning sign. That's it really. Don't think there's anything else in the packet. Nope, just sort of bubble wrap type envelope. Ecolite craft bubble mailer. So nothing extraordinary. I'll put some on here. Office supplies. So I suppose it is office supplies. There are quite a lot when you get these customs declaration when they're coming from abroad. They're supposed to declare what they are, how much they weigh, and the price, etc., etc. They talk a load of rubbish. So I'll put some on here, quite thick, so you can see the purple there. And it's 14:13 on my computer clock. You can probably see there it's already disappearing, that. Like to keep the top on to keep it in good condition, and you can see it's disappearing very fast. Sometimes it can take 20 minutes, I've noticed. When I put on my print bed, about 20 minutes I would allow. And there's only the really thick parts I've put on there that are still even shown. And it's 14:14. And that is sticky. See, I can press my finger on there with some pressure and it sticks to it. Very tacky indeed. So that's a brief look at this unboxing. Elmer's glue stick, disappearing purple, washable, so I presume you can wash it off. Well, I can wash it off the build plate, just warm water, generally speaking. Disappearing purple school glue sticks. #1 Teacher's brand. It says. Total 28 grams. Just under 1 ounce apparently. there's a quick unboxing, unpacking.